this video, I will be sharing with you how you can generate and download a bank statement using the MoneyLion app. So you're going to select the menu icon, select statements, select the account that you want to generate the statement for, select your start date. So you're going to select your start date and select OK, and then select your ending date. Right, so I'm going to say January the 31st and select OK. Then select generate statement. To download or share this statement, select the share icon, and here you can email it, print it, or save it to your files, right? And that's pretty much it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.